Do you want to know how to take care of your roses and make them bloom beautifully? Understanding rose care is crucial, yet many overlook certain steps, leading to less than perfect blooms. This video guides you through each step, ensuring your roses are the talk of the town. Get ready to learn how to have the most beautiful roses in town. Before we dive into the pruning process, let's understand some essential rose care tips. Watering is crucial. Roses love a good drink, but don't overdo it. Too much water can lead to root rot. Next, sunlight. Roses love to bask in the sun, so ensure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Then, soil quality. Roses thrive in well-drained, rich soil. Consider adding organic matter to enhance the soil's fertility. Lastly, pest control. Keep an eye out for aphids, beetles, and other pests that may harm your roses. A consistent care routine is key to keeping your roses healthy and vibrant. Remember, the health of your roses starts with these basic care tips. Now, let's delve into the art of pruning, which is crucial for a vibrant and healthy rosebush. Pruning is more than just snipping away, it's a way to invigorate your roses, promoting their growth and bloom. The ideal time to prune is early spring, just as the buds start to swell. Equip yourself with sharp tools, and remember to cut at a 45-degree angle, about a 1/4 inch above a bud. Proper pruning not only shapes your rosebush, but also encourages more blooms. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Proper rose care involves regular watering, ensuring plenty of sunlight, maintaining soil quality, and diligent pest control. Pruning is also essential. It keeps your roses healthy and encourages more blooms. Remember to prune in early spring or late winter when the plant is dormant. With these tips, your roses will be the envy of the neighborhood. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.